Hi guys, Arting Around with Miss Brown. Today we are going to make some mixed up characters. So the basic idea is you've got characters with a head, a body, and legs, and you can kind of turn them and change them and mix them up. So all together for this one, for my example, I've got a giraffe eating ice cream, and then when I open to the next section, I've got a clown with some balloons. And then my last section is this sort of odd creature. But the fun thing is you can change them, so you can make a giraffe head, the creature body, and clown legs. Or you could switch it around and do clown body, giraffe legs, creature head. And then there's just a whole bunch of different ways that you can kind of keep moving these and making different things out of them. Super easy to do. Let me just show you quickly how to do this. The first thing is you just start with a plain piece of paper. So I just had a plain paper, and then you're gonna fold it into thirds. So I folded this side over and that side over. If you wanna get a ruler out and measure, you can do that, but it's not really necessary. So after I have it in thirds, like it's called a pamphlet fold, then I'm gonna fold it in thirds the other way. So I just kind of folded this piece here and that piece there. So I got my grid that has 9 boxes on it. And then the middle section I left completely plain, but the first section I cut on those fold lines until I got to the vertical fold. And then on this side I cut on the horizontal folds till I got to that vertical fold. So the middle is all attached, but the side pieces you have these sort of 3 sections. After that, you have to figure out where your head, feet, and legs are going to be. So what I did was I just took the paper, folded it flat so just the first section was showing, and then I made some lines where I thought a neck would go. And I did it on the line, so I went on the midsection and this section. So that's where I thought a good spot for a neck would be. And then I did the same thing for where I thought the edges of like the hips or the beginning of the legs would start. Now after that, you've got to take those same lines and put them in all the sections. So what I do is I just open up one of these, draw that line again, open this one, draw those lines again in the next section, and then I just keep opening, drawing those lines until all the sections have them. Sounds more complicated than it really is. But you're only doing this just because you want to have, like on this one, how the legs line up. If I wouldn't have drawn that line and would have drawn the legs someplace else, it would have been weird and maybe not connected like that. So after you have those, then you just start drawing. So for this one, that's where my lines were. I drew the giraffe head, body, legs. Then I drew my clown in the next section, and then my creature in the last section. And then you can go ahead and make yourself a giraffe clown creature, or you can do anything. You could do robots and astronauts and platypuses or any combos you like. Have fun, try it out, have a great day. Bye.